Cosmos. Key features and information. Botanical name. Cosmos is a genus in the family Asteraceae. The most commonly grown species are Cosmos bipinnatus, commonly called garden cosmos, and Cosmos sulphureus, Sulfur Cosmos. Habitat. Native to Mexico and Central America, Cosmos plants thrive in warm climates and are commonly found in gardens, wildflower meadows, and along roadsides. They grow well in well-drained soil and full sunlight. Leaves. Cosmos leaves are typically feathery or finely divided, giving the plant an airy, delicate appearance. The foliage forms a light, green backdrop that highlights the vibrant flowers. Flowers. Cosmos flowers are daisy-like and grow on long, slender stems. They are loved for their simplicity and bright colors. Colors include shades of white, pink, purple, orange, red, and yellow, depending on the species. Structure. Each flower has a central disc surrounded by broad ray-like petals. Fragrance. While the flowers are not highly fragrant, they are visually striking and attract pollinators. Blooming time. Cosmos typically bloom from early summer to the first frost, offering a long season of vibrant color. Deadheading, removing spent flowers, can prolong blooming. Adaptations. Drought tolerance. Cosmos are highly drought tolerant once established, making them ideal for low-maintenance gardens. Self-seeding. They readily self-seed, ensuring the plant's presence year after year. Cultural symbolism. Cosmos flowers are often associated with harmony, balance, and beauty, derived from their name, which means order or harmony in Greek. They symbolize peace and tranquility in the language of flowers. Uses. 1. Gardens. Cosmos are popular in cottage gardens, borders, and wildflower mixes for their cheerful and natural look. They are excellent for attracting pollinators like bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds. 2. Cut flowers. Cosmos are prized as cut flowers for their long stems and vase life. 3. Companion planting. In vegetable gardens, Cosmos can be used as companion plants to attract beneficial insects and deter pests. Ecological importance. Pollinator attraction. Cosmos are a favorite for pollinators, providing nectar and pollen for bees, butterflies, and other beneficial insects. Low maintenance. They thrive in poor soil and require minimal watering, making them environmentally friendly. Cosmos are beloved for their vibrant flowers, easy care, and ecological benefits. Their ability to bloom profusely with minimal effort makes them a favorite in home gardens, while their bright colors and delicate appearance bring joy to any landscape.